Make a wish, babe.
I already did.
One more.
Oh, you did? Blow it out. Blow it out. Blow harder. Harder. Cabo.
Good morning.
You're so silly. It's Les's birthday, so we are in Cabo celebrating. Yeah, we just woke up. Nah. The sun is giving me a nice little highlight right here. I don't have makeup on.
Ooh, what's for breakfast this morning?
I don't know. You ordered something nice. I just have coffee.
Oh, yeah.
Hashtag keto.
Keto. Latte. I smashed that berry drink, though.
Dang.
Super good. It's like local eggs on top of a cactus. So, first time tasting cactus and single pancake. Smoking a pancake. Sorry you can't have any this goodness, but let's go hold it down.
I can have some. I'm just choosing not. I'm fasting for a little bit.
It's hard to fight these feelings, but you're so hard to forget. If I fall in love with you, there is no turning back, baby, that's the truth. It's the truth, no, baby. If I fall in love with you, we'll be together, going to forever, you and I. Ooh, I'm falling. Ooh, I'm falling for you. Ooh, I'm falling.
Well, alright. Guess I need to get on her level. What is she doing? There you go. Oh, yeah.
Baby about to jump in or no?
Nah, that's dangerous waves right there. If you ain't got no board, you got it. Even with a board, you might be done.
There is no turning back, baby, that's the truth. It's the truth, no, baby. If I fall in love with you, we'll be together, forever, you and I.
It's your birthday. I caught you just waking up.
Watch your back. I'm gonna step into this big massive telescope. For my birthday, I saw the moon for the first time through a telescope last night.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Where was I?
Oh, you were knocked out. Like, came out and said, good night. Just vanished.
Happy birthday.
Got a little lit last night.
Yeah.
A dream.
I think we all did. We are headed to the spa. Birthday boy. Spa. I cannot wait to get a massage. You guys just don't even know. You don't even know. For the win.
I'm looking forward to this. Get my back stretched out. You know, hit these traps a little bit.
Hi.
Like your footwork. Things fresh.
How's your drink?
It's good. The lemon, the honey on top is awesome.
Ooh. Oh, this is nice. How was the massage?
Nice.
It was so nice. I'm so relaxed right now. Oh my gosh.
Super. What time is it?
Tequila time.
So let's start with something dangerous.
Dangerous. Oh my god.
You having a good time so far? Or just getting to talk? Lord help.
Let me just put these glasses on real quick.
How you feeling over there, love? This scenery is nice though, but you look amazing.
Do I?
Ooh, a little bit of thigh. Thighs keep the boy right.
Hey, you gonna drink that? You gonna drink that? You wanna tell me something?
I'm kind of messed up right now.
Ooh.
I'm a little lit.
Dang. The knot ain't even got started yet.
Huh?
Hot damn, bars. The knot ain't got started yet. You ready? You gonna make it? But is you gonna make it? Let's take a temporary break. It goes off to the sunset. And we're back. Still fading. Having a good time?
Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without.
Do you have a good birthday?
Great birthday last night. Dinner was amazing. The shots kicked in. Supposed to head out, but that didn't happen. Got faded.
Yeah, we were gonna go out last night and then we both like, we can't hang, you know?
You can hang, but the couch is super comfy.
I can't hang. How about that?
Oh, wow. Yeah, you can.
Look at this breakfast over here. Okay, you would think this is for 2 people. No, this is all for Les. Okay, so I have a confession for you guys. Last night, Les had chocolate cake and I had a piece. I had like 3 pieces or 3 bites. It was like the best sugary chocolate cake. So I cheated. I mean, alcohol is considered cheating on keto. You know, you're not supposed to drink, so I've been drinking. But like as far as food, like I've been really good about not doing any sugar. But last night I was like, I need to live my life.
Sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me.